Greenhouse currently is the headquarters and a relief center for General Luna. We've been giving out goods to families displaced by the typhoon over the last week. The goods are sourced through donations sent to Sea Movement and Local Lab, and also a few other private donors. Greenhouse has also served as a drop-off center for goods coming from different parts of the Philippines, pre-packaged already, that are ready to be given out to families. We've given food to approximately 1,300 families, and as a way to track and make sure that we give goods to as many families as possible, we've asked them to put their thumb mark on a piece of paper to ensure that we give we reach as many families as possible.